How to use ChatGPT. Open a web browser and navigate to chat.openai.com. And here you'll notice that there's two different versions, 3.5, which is free, and 4, which is paid. That just has some updated options and has more parameters or data that it was trained on. They give you several ideas on how you can use it down here. And to start a new chat, you'll just click new chat on the top left, and you'll notice on the left hand side, my old chats are there saved for me so I could pick up where I left off. To start a new chat, you just type in the bottom, send a message, you type in your prompt, and if you use a prompt engineering framework similar to this one created by the AI Classroom, it will teach you how to prep the machine to get the best output for whatever you're looking for. And if it's not exactly what you want, you can edit the output to get something closer to what you're looking for. I always refer to these as a first draft, and you will tweak them to make them your own voice. So this is always just a first draft. I've already created a prompt. I'm just going to go ahead and paste it on the bottom and click enter or send, and it will write the prompt. You are a middle school French teacher. Write a reading comprehension passage about a day in the life of a teenager in Paris. The passage should be 2 paragraphs and written in the present tense. And I don't speak French, but here AI generated the passage for us. And as you can see, I said 2 paragraphs and it's 3. So it's always a first draft. You always want to read it over, make sure it's accurate, it's what you're looking for. But if it wasn't, I would just rewrite this and shorten it to 2 paragraphs, rewrite this and add in maybe this detail, and it would give me another result. And I could keep talking to my chatbot until I get exactly what I'm looking for, and I could regenerate results to get a few different options. And another idea, if you want to share this with a colleague, or if you're a teacher and you want your students to share their results with you, you could always click on this share button in the top right, and you could share the chat. Someone can review the whole chat history, and they can even pick up where you left off. I can even take this a step further and create questions for the students to answer based on the reading comprehension. So I'm going to paste in my pre-written text, and I'm going to ask it to generate 10 questions about this passage in English, because remember that it's about French. And I'm going to ask it to include open-ended, multiple choice, and true/false. I'll also ask it to generate an answer key. And look at that. It's generating my questions for me. As I've said before, this is a first draft. Nothing's perfect. I would reread everything. I don't like the numbering system here, so I'm going to copy this and paste it and tweak it to make it my own.